Menteri ka kot ka khia uba AL hek mata sing ulai thu abo menteri ki kampo yeng ka sarkar kemi u Amit Shah unwan jungoi ka jilla Meghalaya ha kata yau baar jong unai tung mentau snem. Habakran ki nong thok khubor ulai thu bahaduk menta 4 shimyo iki jingtip batikna halor ka jingwan jungo menteri ka sarkar kemi ya ka Meghalaya.
We issue our agenda to discuss this, but only today we have got the information. This is information I was giving to you, but definitely we will discuss. Some agenda will be there to discuss about the visit of our Honorable Amit Shah ji, the Union Minister for Home. They have not indicated anything, but definitely we are going to inform the government. I have not asked for how many days will be here, but it is coming likely on the second week of July.